Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Monday. Back on this job. I gotta do this siding. Now I gotta finish this house and I gotta finish this siding one today. Because I gotta move these scaffolds back to the inside the fence. Because this is by the street, somebody would take them. So right now I'm gonna set the scaffolds up and then hopefully the phone doesn't fall because it's really windy, it's on a tripod, hopefully it don't fall. But yeah, we're gonna set these scaffolds up. Okay, I already cut that with the multi-tool. As you can see, so much easier, did it like nothing. And then I just got the skill saw, cut them in half. One here, one there. Cut this one there, and then one going up. I just gotta take these pieces off and then put the house wrap on, put some new sheets on. This one's going by way faster because I got that M12 oscillating tool. Guys, I got the first sheet right there, and then I just got to pick up the house wrap because it fell and start the house wrap. After that, put the first piece, and then got to put 4 sheets up right here. Then I got to move my scaffolds over there to do the last 2, and I'm hoping I'll be done by like at 12:30 or 1 o'clock. It's going faster than I thought. All right, I got that side on. Now I just gotta finish putting some screws on this side, and then move my ladder and my planks to the other one. And I gotta replace those 2 sheets on the corner. About another hour and I'll be done, which is awesome. The tools that I'm using is the Milwaukee drill, the oscillating tool, the one I showed, and then 6.5 inch Milwaukee skill saw. Yep. I gotta replace this little piece of fascia board right there, and then on the other corner, and that'll be it on this side. I gotta take off that satellite dish there. All right, I'm done. Now I just gotta clean up, put all the tools up, move the scaffolds back over there, clean up all this mess, take that back to over there. And then I gotta go touch up a door on another house. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and today went by pretty quick and it's pretty good. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let me know what y'all think.